Call of Duty is a highly popular and influential video game franchise that has had a significant impact on the gaming industry and culture. Developed by various studios under the publishing umbrella of Activision, the series was first introduced in 2003. Call of Duty is primarily a first-person shooter game series, characterized by its intense combat scenarios, realistic graphics, and immersive storytelling. The franchise spans various historical eras, including World War II, the Cold War, and modern and futuristic settings. Each game in the series typically features a single-player campaign mode and a multiplayer mode, with some titles also including a cooperative mode for players to team up against computer-controlled enemies. The single-player campaigns of Call of Duty games are known for their cinematic storytelling, which often draws inspiration from real historical events and conflicts. Players assume the roles of soldiers from different nations and military branches, experiencing the trials and tribulations of war. The campaigns aim to immerse players in the chaos and intensity of battle, emphasizing themes of heroism, sacrifice, and camaraderie. The multiplayer mode is a hallmark of the series, attracting a massive and dedicated player base. In this mode, players compete against each other in various game types, such as Team Deathmatch, Capture the Flag, and objective-based modes. Call of Duty multiplayer is celebrated for its fast-paced action, extensive customization options, and a progression system that rewards players with new weapons, perks, and equipment as they level up. The franchise has also introduced a battle royale mode, Warzone, which has garnered a separate following due to its unique gameplay mechanics and large-scale battles. Beyond its gameplay mechanics, Call of Duty has played a significant role in shaping gaming culture and industry trends. It has consistently set records for sales and player engagement, becoming a blockbuster franchise. The release of a new Call of Duty title has become an annual event, eagerly anticipated by millions of gamers worldwide. The series has also explored contemporary and ethical issues through its narratives, prompting discussions about the morality of war, the human cost of conflict, and the impact of military technology. These thought-provoking elements add depth to the games, making them more than just mindless shooters. Moreover, Call of Duty has evolved beyond video games, inspiring novels, comic books, and even a film adaptation. It has also become a platform for esports competitions, with professional players and teams competing in tournaments for substantial prizes. In conclusion, Call of Duty is a groundbreaking video game franchise known for its immersive storytelling, intense multiplayer action, and significant impact on gaming culture and the industry. It has provided players with thrilling experiences while exploring themes related to warfare and ethics. The franchise's continued success and cultural relevance make it a defining part of the modern gaming landscape.